Hey everybody, this is Natalie. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making a Flammkuchen or Tarte Flambeé, depending on where you're from. In Germany, in the Baden-Württemberg, Schwaben, Alsatian region of France, all along that border, it's a very popular dish and it's very easy to make and it's so delicious. So I think you're going to add this one to your rotation if you don't already know about it. All right, let's get started. The dough requires no yeast, just flour, water, salt, and olive oil. 1 large onion. I don't have 1 large onion, but I have 3 smaller ones, so we're going to use our mandolin. Here's a kitchen tip. Turn on your range fan while you're slicing onions so the aerosols don't bother your eyes. And here is the most precious nutmeg grater you will ever find. There. This is not adorable. I love this thing. So grab these onions. You want to fry these golden with a little bit of brown on the edges. Okay, you want to mix your flour, salt, water, and your olive oil together. Blend it up really well, then you'll let it sit for 30 minutes to an hour covered. Or more, whatever. Now I am using sweet onions for this. I'm from the South, what can I say? Alright, so this is as brown as I'm going to let my onions get. I think this is fine. Turn this off and set it to the side. So we are going to cook our pancetta. Love this stuff. Alright, so this is the pancetta that I use. As healthy as I can. But look at all that fat. Anyway. Preheat your oven to 500 or the highest setting it will go. Alright. So I'm just going to mix mine like this. Got my flour. Alright, so we have the shape right. And I have to somehow get that onto the stone. Alright, so we are going to go ahead and add our creme fraiche to the onions. We're also going to put some on the tart. Try not to break it. Alright. It's a little too big for this. Let's just go with that. How about that? Alright, so first we're going to put some creme fraiche on here. You want to bake this at 500 degrees for 9 to 13 minutes or until the crust is golden.